recording option, you can record. Okay. So we shall discuss the lesson. I will ask a few questions just to try to answer. Okay. So based on the last class video, I will ask the questions. Be ready. Okay. So in the last class, we saw that the Albert Einstein, apart from his studies, he had special interest in something else, right? And what was that something?
Music.
Music and all. Okay, music. Apart from music, apart from literature, apart from his studies, he got special interest in something.
Physics.
What was that?
Mileva.
Somebody saying Mileva Marik. Okay, who is she? Who is she? Mileva Marik.
She's a student studying with her. She's older than him.
Ma, the thing is, understand the question and then answer. Who is Mileva Marik? Mileva Marik. So you have to give only the answer. Who is Mileva Marik? For that only you have to give the answer. You should not give the extra answer. Who is Mileva Marik?
Mileva Marik is from Serbia, and she came to study because in Europe, for some universities only they are giving
Not
degrees
here.
for women.
Mileva Marik, she is a Serb. Okay, she is a Serb. She is from Serbia, so she is called as Serb. Okay, so describe her character. Describe her skill.
Clever creature.
Clever creature. Very good. Clever creature. Fine. Next, which university gave degrees for women?
Zurich University.
University in Zurich.
Zurich University. Okay. Like this only you have to give the answer, one line answer. Okay. You should not give the extra answers. Extra answers, we have extra questions, right? So Zurich University. The thing is, all should get the answer. For that purpose only we are asking the question. So which university gave degrees for women? Zurich University. Very good. Where is the University of Zurich? Where it is located?
Europe.
In Europe.
Not in Europe.
In Europe. Germany. Switzerland.
Switzerland is the correct answer. Okay. Next. See. Next. You have to give the correct case. Okay, Switzerland is the correct answer. When did Einstein get his degree?
21.
21 years. 21 years. 21
At the age of 21. Okay.
1900. At the age of
okay.
21.
Okay. 9,900 at the age of 21. Okay. That
21.
time only he got the graduation. Next. Where did he work as a technical expert? Someone gave the answer.
Technical expert. Patent office in Bern.
Patent office in
Okay. Patent office in Bern. Patent office in Bern. Patent is a government. Okay, it's a government office. Okay, there he. In the beginning, he worked as an assistant, and later he became a technical expert. Okay, what did he call his desk as? So he kept too many books on his table. Okay, so for that he gave one term.
Bureau of Theoretical Physics.
Bureau of Theoretical Physics. Okay. So his desk, no, it was completely filled with books, mostly everything based on physics. So he called his desk as Bureau of Theoretical Physics. Next. Name the papers which became famous in the year 1905.
Special theory
Theory of
Theory of
Special
relativity.
theory of
Theory of
reality.
relativity.
Special
Very
theory
good.
of reality.
Very good. Special theory of relativity. So he became famous after publishing the papers called Special Theory of Relativity in the year 1905. Okay. What formula did he find out?
E is equal to
E is equal to MC square.
Is equal to
E is equal to MC
E is
square.
equal to MC square.
Okay. Explain E is equal to MC square.
E
E
means
is equal to mass
Energy M means
plus light.
E stands for the speed of light of vacuum.
Okay, one at a time. One of you
E
answer.
stands for energy.
Hmm.
M stands for mass. C stands for the speed of the light.
Hmm.
That is about 3 lakh kilometer per
Meter
second.
per second. Okay. So fine.
Yes.
Okay. See, you use this formula when you go to higher classes. You will derive this and all. Okay. Now just we are seeing the intro of this. That's it. How was his private life? How was his?
Unraveling.
Pardon? So he did not enjoy that much. Okay, it was like about to fail. Okay, it was not successful that time. Whom did Einstein want to marry?
Melvia.
Melvia.
Melvia. Meliva.
Meliva
Mary. Okay. Yes. Who reject their marriage?
mother. His mother.
Her mother. Reason for the rejection. Why did she reject?
Because she is 2 years
Older than
Because Meliva Marik, she was 3 years older than Albert Einstein,
Albert Einstein.
and she was too clever. Okay, so that scared Einstein mothers, and she was against that marriage. Finally, did he marry her?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, he married Meliva Marik. How many children did they have?
2 sons.
Two sons. Very good. What happened to their marriage life after years? So after the birth of 2 sons, what happened to their marriage life?
They divorce each other.
Okay, so they both separated. Okay. Wait. Let me admit Darshini. Okay. Did Einstein marry for the second time?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Yes. Whom did he marry?
Elsa.
Elsa. Who is she? Cousin. Albert's cousin. Okay.
Einstein married his
Second time he married Elsa, his cousin. Okay. Next. In the same year he married Elsa. Which new chapter of Einstein
general theory of
which new chapter of Einstein gave him fame?
General theory of relativity.
General theory of relativity. First it was special theory of relativity, and next it was general theory of relativity. Okay.
Relative.
The newspapers call his work as dash. They gave one term for his work? What was
A
that?
scientific revolution.
Very good. Who said that?
A scientific
Scientific revolution. The newspaper called his work as scientific revolution. Yes. In which year did he receive the Nobel Prize?
1921.
1921.
In 1921.
1921. Okay.
21.
For what? For what? For which subject?
In physics.
Physics. For physics. He received the Nobel Prize in the year 1901.
1920.
Okay. After that, he moved to one country. Name that country.
United States of America.
United States. From Germany, he moved to United States. He immigrated
United
to
States.
United States.
United
That
States.
time. Okay, that time, which party?
Nazis party. Nazis party.
Party.
Which party came to power in Germany?
Nazis party.
Okay, Nazis party. They went there and they settled there. So after 5 years, what they did? This Nazis.
Made a nuclear weapon.
in Berlin. Nuclear fission.
They discovered. This Nazis. They discovered nuclear fission. Okay. So after hearing that, what did this Albert Einstein do? What did he do?
He wrote a letter to the president.
He wrote a letter to American President
Franklin D. Roosevelt.
So after knowing this Albert Einstein, he wrote a letter to the president of America.
America.
Franklin
In
D.
August
Roosevelt.
1939.
Okay.
On
So in that letter, what did he mention?
Single bomb was just died.
The whole part.
The single bomb will
Can destroy a whole pot.
Very good, very good.
So all pot.
Okay, super, super. Okay. In return, what did Americans did in secret?
They have thrown that bomb.
The nuclear vision.
They also started to prepare the nuclear bombs. Okay, in secret, they also did. Okay, after preparing that nuclear bomb for execution, which place they have selected?
They thrown it
Bomb in Hiroshima and
Hiroshima,
Nagasaki.
Nagasaki.
Okay. In which place, in which country this Hiroshima and Nagasaki is situated?
In Japan.
Japan. In Japan, you can find these two places. Okay. In Japan, we can see those two places. Okay. Till today, those two places, they have the effect. Okay, effect of that bomb. Okay. Finally, Einstein involved himself in dash.
Politics.
Okay, politics. He involved himself in politics. There, so there he fought for dash. So he worked for dash. Peace and
Democracy.
democracy.
Peace and democracy.
Okay. So peace and democracy are very, very important for the human beings. Okay, peace, freedom. So and for that, this Albert Einstein, he worked. Okay. Finally, at what age did he die?
76. Died at the age of 76 in 1955.
Year?
1955.
1955.
1955 at the age of 76.
76. Very good. Okay. So last question. Einstein, he was okay. Thank you. Last question. Einstein was celebrated as a dash under dash.
Missionary and the world citizen as much as
Scientific genius.
Okay, actually, he was a scientific genius. Apart from that term, he was celebrated as visionary and
Visionary and world citizen.
citizen. What is the meaning of visionary? What is the meaning of visionary? Vision.
A person who can think about the future in an original and intelligent way.
Okay, very good, very good. I think you have revised the book and lesson. Okay, good. So, Einstein was celebrated as a visionary and a world citizen. Okay, citizen means you all know. Okay, Pudi Megan, we say, right? Okay. So, we have discussed the lesson, a truly beautiful mind. Okay.